My name is Yarumi Paraga. I attend Ideal and I've been attending since summer. I've managed to get my GED and my Microsoft Associate Certificate for PowerPoint. And right now I'm a paid robotics intern in the robotics and 3D printing area. I've been aware about the program since my freshman year in high school, though I didn't start considering it till junior year, and I had a friend that was in it and it was recommended to me, and I decided to try it out after I left high school. My experience at Ideal has been really pleasant. I don't think there's anything that I would complain about. My schedule has been good. I'm getting paid to learn a lot of things, and it's like a real work environment that I have to do sometimes. And the opportunity to get my GED and my certifications is like more than I could ask for. I enjoy listening to music, taking care of my animals, and baking. My most memorable moment would be either when I got my GED, I got my diploma, or when I built my first 3D printed mechanism. One of the two. I would say that at Ideal, it has a variety of different programs, and I feel like there's something there for every student that could attend here. There's different opportunities for everyone. My GED teacher was Miss Maisha, and when I did ask her for help, she was always very attentive, and I felt like she did worry about me and the things that I was doing and to always keep me on track. The GED class, it was pretty simple, and as well with the work that I had to do, I felt like it wasn't that easy, and I felt like that was good. I felt like I was actually learning things and not just getting by. My instructor was Ashray. While I'm working with the robotics team, I'm the robotics intern, and it's all been really pleasant. It's my favorite part about this program. I was looking forward to it after finishing my GED. I have a very open schedule, but I do choose to come here a lot more because I just like enjoy the environment, getting able to be paid, and like just the atmosphere. It's very enjoyable. To the staff, everyone here, I'd like to say thank you for always being patient and respectful. I would say that everyone here is really nice, respectful, and they really care about the students here. As well to all my peers, very proud of all of you, and all of you are very kind. Everyone here is very kind.